All right, we're just getting going here. New day, Memorial Day. And we're going to put in the back row of the pillars. Most complicated bent there because there's two doors that are going to go in there.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night.
All right, so this is the northwest corner. So we have a Bigfoot in the bottom. That one we went an extra 18 inches deep. And then this is gonna have a 9-foot door, just a regular garage door. So that's that opening. This one has a set of 3. So the center one is for the bents regular, and then the post for the 9-foot door is next to it, and then a center 12-foot door. So each of those got a double, and then just a single. There won't be any door on this end. So that has a Bigfoot, and then 18 inches. This back corner had a lot of organics in it, topsoil kind of stuff, so we dug it all out, and I'm going to order another load of gravel to bring that up and stabilize this back corner here. So, but basically now we have the layout of the barn. Half of it will, the south half, so the far end of this will have a slab, and then the back half will be gravel. Eventually there'll be a wall in between, and then even beyond that, there'll be a room in the center here that will be a little apartment, little studio apartment. So bathroom down on the main floor here, and then a small bathroom with shower and toilet, and then a small kitchenette. And so a little 575 square foot apartment on the second floor. So that's the plan there. Ordering the concrete for, let's see, June 8th is when I'm ordering concrete. So in order to accomplish that, I need to get the rebar cut for the holes, and then need to make some forms for some square footings, basically on top of the sonotubes, for all the sonotubes that are in the concrete or on the north end. So Lars and I will be doing that later on this week in preparation for the pour that's happening in about 11 days or so. So thanks for watching. You guys have a good day, and happy Memorial Day.